Hi everyone, welcome back to Amin Teaches English, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn about some common phrasal verbs using off and around. And to make it interesting, we'll do this through a short story. So let's get started. But first, let's quickly review the phrasal verbs we'll be focusing on today. They are see someone off, take off, cut something off, go off, mess about or around with something, laze around or about, lie around or lie about, hang around or hang about, clear off. Now let's dive into our short story. Please pay close attention to how these phrasal verbs are used in the context. One sunny afternoon, John decided to go off on a little adventure. He had seen his sister off at the train station that morning. With no specific plan, he wandered around the park, taking photos and enjoying the day. As he strolled, he saw some kids messing around with a skateboard, trying tricks and laughing. It reminded him of how he used to hang around with friends at the same park. Feeling tired, John found a quiet spot to laze around and almost fell asleep. He was startled awake by the sound of an airplane taking off nearby. Deciding it was time to head home, he walked back and noticed his brother had left tools lying around the garage. John thought about cleaning up, but chose instead to lie around on the couch. Later, he went out for dinner and saw teenagers hanging around a convenience store. The store owner told them to clear off, and they slowly left. Reflecting on this day, John realized that sometimes simply hanging around and messing about can make the best memories. Great, now let's break down the phrasal verbs we used in this story. When you see someone off, it means you go to a place where someone is leaving to say goodbye. All right, for example, I saw my friend off at the airport yesterday. Next, take off means to leave the ground and begin to fly. Like, our plane took off late because of the storm. Cut something off is used when something is separated or isolated. The heavy snowfall cut the village off from the rest of the world. Go off means to leave a place to do something. For example, she went off to buy some groceries earlier. Mess about or mess around with something means to waste time or to tamper with something without a serious purpose. For example, the kids were messing around with the TV remote. Laze around or laze about is to spend time doing very little or being idle. On lazy Sundays, I just love to laze around with a good movie. Lie around or lie about means to leave things in a place without being used or tidied. For example, there are books lying around everywhere in my room. Hang around or hang about means to spend time in a place without any specific purpose. For example, after school, we used to hang around the park. And finally, clear off means to leave a place quickly. For example, when the shopkeeper shouted, the kids cleared off immediately. And there you have it, a short story to help you learn and remember some useful phrases with off and around. All right? Practice using these phrasal verbs in your own sentences, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Also, I want you to leave a comment down below with your own sentences using these phrasal verbs that I taught you in this video, because I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.